Back at y'all again, Dame the Real Productions and Dame the Real Beats with another video, and we gonna do this video. We gonna do something reggae, you know, reggae hop, possibly reggae hop, but yeah, we gonna do this. Now I'm using System Clash expansion and a Machine expansion, which is very dope. It has some hip hop flavor in there, some trap in there, and it's a great expansion, to purchase and everything. Despite what's going on with native instruments, we're gonna keep it going, keep it going, and whatever happens, we just gonna be here forever and continue to make this music, make these beats, and continue. You know, it is what it is, man. But yeah, we're about to make a beat, and I'm about to use the expansion. As a matter of fact, the name of this kit is Maroon Town Kit, and of course, like this is a town in Jamaica, Maroon Town, and there's a lot of ancestry with the Maroons and everything. So I'm pretty sure that's what they was going for, and yeah. So this is how we gonna do this. 127 BPM. We got the Maroon Town stuff. We got the kit it right here. But I have this sample right here in keys. If I hold a key, wrong sample. Yeah, this is the sample. So by holding the keys, the whole thing plays. All right, so we're gonna start with this sample. Now, as you can see here, like this looping is stubborn. We're just gonna fix it. So like it's supposed to automatically be set to a certain thing, but it's about 8 bars. So we're gonna do another group. Use the maroon kit again. Yeah, so we got a one shot mute guitar. We call it mute, but so since it's a one shot, I could play my own melody from here, right? I'm gonna hit keyboard. wrong with this? Gotta use the part that's not messed up. Yeah, some when I hit when I hit quantize. When I hit quantize, something messed up. Alright, so it's good now. Gonna do another group of the same kit. Now we got the bass. We're gonna do. Alright, so we're gonna keep the part that I want. This is the part. Uh-huh. Okay. Alright, we're gonna do the 1/8. Yeah, 1/8 hi-hat arpeggiation makes it easier. Going up the swing. That's what I'm looking for. Yep, there it goes. So until next time, hope you enjoy this. See y'all later.